We've known for months that Motorola is preparing to launch new smartphones. Previously it was thought that they would be called Motorola One and Motorola One Power, but the latest information comes to demystify those myths, since the latter will be called P30 Note. The P30 series started 2 weeks ago on the Chinese website of Motorola, and since then the P30 has been officially announced. And according to the new report, the P30 Note is actually the Power One device that is rumored with the model number X51942-1. For now, the P30 brand is for the Chinese market, and since the Power One name has stalled for so long, there is a small chance that the phone leaves the country with it. According to rumors, the smartphone is expected to deliver a 6.2-inch FHD Plus screen with a notch, Snapdragon 636 with 3GB, 4GB or 6GB of RAM. The storage variants are 32GB or 64GB. On the back, the P30 Note will offer a 16MP unit along with a 5MP unit, while the notch will house a 12MP camera. And the phone will have a huge 4850 mAh battery.